Is your VW Taos dropping your Apple CarPlay connection mid-drive? Let's find the fix. Studies suggest that 70% of intermittent phone connectivity issues stem from faulty cables or debris. Start your diagnosis by isolating the hardware from the software. First, inspect your USB cable for visible damage and clear your phone's charging port of lint. If the hardware is fine, look at outdated software or a cached Bluetooth connection causing interference. Try forgetting the device in your VW settings and performing a hard reset on the infotainment unit. Most users find relief with a new high-quality cable, but persistent issues may require a dealer firmware update. A new cable is a cheap $20 investment versus the high cost of diagnostic labor at the dealer. If problems persist, search for official Volkswagen technical bulletins related to your infotainment system. Keep an MFI certified cable and a basic OBD-I scanner in your glove box for quick troubleshooting. Always test a known working cable before assuming your vehicle hardware is actually failing. If these steps didn't solve your connection issues, it might be time to visit your local VW dealer.